Thank you so much. Okay. As a student, singing happens to be one of the skills. Yes or no?
Yes.
And your answer?
Yes.
Okay. This time, okay, let's move on. Dancing time. Okay, right? Okay? Okay. Ladies first, huh? Mariel, on center of stage. Adrian, you move backward. Okay na po, sir? So, maayon yung kanta. This time, tanaw na to sila kung sa kabayo, musayaw on stage. With a simple music. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Give it up for Miss Mariel Montellano! Sige, i-upload ko this YouTube, ha? Come on! Sige, Tati, ha? Pag ito na yung stop, ayun na, ha? Sige! Alright, thank you so much. A big round of applause, please. And to move on, of course, again, Adrian James Apasa! Come on, come on! Come on, everyone! Here we go! 3, 2, 1, move! Move! Alright, thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Mariel Montellano and Adrian James Apasa. Yan lang kasi. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, dengan salamat. Would you mind? Yes? Okay, wala pa? Wala pa? Thank you so much. I'd like to thank our sponsors in one way or another supporting the show to make it possible and successful like the following. Nariyan, Pino Nikasal, dengan salamat. Good to see you. The Gustavian over at Metro Ayala, Barangay Cebu City. Ang Emirair, ang tulay ng Pilipino. Ang tulay ng bayan, kahit saan may flash. No? Dengan salamat, Jollibee, Sharky, also in Tech, Pacifico Manila Metro chain of stores. That was through the San Metro Colon, Metro Ayala, and Pacifico Manila. Also in Tech, MTAC Events and Promotions. The Home of the Stars, located in SB Cabal Street, Cabal, Manila City, with